Yeah, hello guys. Today I'll be straightforward and show you how to use the Pinksale Testnet. And if you look through my previous video, you are going to see how you are to set up the Binance Testnet on Metamask. After you have done that, then you can do this easily as well. The first thing is to visit the website test.pinksale.finance, and then you connect to Binance Testnet. After connecting, I'll take it one after the other. On the Pinksale Testnet, you can only create a token of billion and above because I have tested 10 million and it did not go through. So you click on create token, then you set it up. You enter your name, the symbol, the decimal, and of course the supply 100 billion supply. Let's do 10 billion. Then you create token. All on the Binance Testnet. You don't have to use your money at all. All you have to do is get free BNB tokens on Binance Testnet, and you can also test it out and give your reviews. Yeah, this is the Pinksale Testnet, and this is what we are going to expect when we are fully launched the Pinksale mainnet. As you can see, in just few seconds, I have created a token for my project on the Binance Testnet. So going forward, I'll show you how to create Launchpad. You click on create Launchpad. Yeah, okay guys, after clicking on create Launchpad, you are going to select the token. You choose the smart contract, the project token, you approve. You sign the transaction on the Binance Testnet network. As you can see, it's quite easy. The truth is the testnet is giving us an insight of what to expect in the main platform launch, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. After doing that, you click on next. You set up the pre-sale rate, just enter any price. Remember, it is a test net. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to test and ensure that people understand what you are testing, especially the developers, so you can give reviews and let them know where and where not to update or edit. I'll set up. It says I have insufficient token to create launchpad, so I'll go ahead right now and create another token to meet up. Stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, I have corrected the error, and I'm good to go. I'll just fix the date and the rest of the form. I'll fill it up. It's a test net, so you don't have to worry. You just have to do it right and ensure there are no errors at all. You enter the date, you select the time. Okay. You select the end time as well. For you lock liquidity for, let's say, 100 days. Just little adjustments to align with the error code I'm receiving. You just have to do it right. You don't have to rush. It's a test net. Yeah, as long as you do it right, you don't have anything to worry about. You click on next. Um, Logo, I'll just import any website. Click on next and you submit. I hope you are able to use the test net on your own after going through my little pace. And you can stay tuned, and perhaps together we will launch tokens with the Pinksale platform when the main net is launched. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.